Hello guys, my name is Sorelle Lynsha, Miss Imvu Universe Botswana 2022. I come from one of the landlocked countries in southern Africa. I love my country, because despite the fact that we were the least populated in the world and that in the past we were one of the poorest countries in the world, today we have worked hand in hand, which has allowed us it has become an upper middle income country, with one of the fastest growing economies in the world. I am 27 years old and I have a degree in accounting and business management, and today I am a manager of a beauty salon where I am perfectly fulfilled. My time is divided between my work at the Miss Botswana organization and my leisure days. The Miss Botswana organization has given me the opportunity to be the woman I am today and the opportunity to inspire many girls in my country and around the world. It is a great pleasure for me to work for the betterment of our community. Besides my work as a miss, I like to play sports, dance, cook. Sport allows me to strengthen my competitiveness and my love more self-confidence. Every time, cooking is a passion that I have developed since my childhood, and my favorite moment is when I'm making the cakes for everyone. I grew up in a family of 4 children, so the family is a very important place in my life because my father always taught us that love is the most beautiful gift that the Lord has given us and that it was our responsibility to value it. See you soon, kiss.